It's actually Saturday afternoon. Not even, it's Saturday morning. 11:30 to 3:30. That is my shift. Oh, look, I'm getting past. Okay. I gotta make sure I'm okay. Everything's good. Cash in my pocket, bit of gas, gotta reset the odometer, which I'll do at the stop sign. Current odometer reading is 9,180 kilometers. 9180. We're gonna go this way. 9180. And the air conditioning's on. Got almost a half tank of gas. That should be enough for this afternoon. Matching you up to orders. What the hell is this? 11:38, no orders yet? Come on, no one's got time for this. Okay, got my first order. Burger King, let's go. Okay, not gonna lie, I absolutely hate the smell of Burger King in my car. So, now what I've done is I got the customer's address here. I'm gonna open it up in Google Maps. It's gonna pop up with the directions, and I'm going to go to it. It says 8 minutes, so let's go. Another satisfied customer who is sleeping. Okay, another order. Burrito Boys, 210 Queen Street East. Alright, well, we know where that is. Well, let's go there. So a 565, it's 1206. That's not exactly worth the money. Not yet. Anyway, I'm going basically right back to where we just were. It's like, anyway, once you get stuck in this area, you tend to get stuck in an area. So let's go drop this off with the customer. Okay, this is order number 2, where I picked up from Burrito Boys, and I'm taking it to what looks like the warehouse sale. Oh, order match. That didn't take long. Okay, Radiki's that is literally right across the street. Okay, so we are sitting at 12:30. Been doing this 1 hour, $11.60. Driving to customers. Oh, he's way down in Mississauga. Okay, so this is order number 3. We just picked it up at the Caribbean restaurant, Jamaican restaurant, I don't know, island restaurant down the road, or back there. And I'm going into, that was in Brampton. Now I'm going into Mississauga. And it's the funny thing about Mississauga is that, you know, it's right on the border of Brampton. But I don't know why the app is taking me down here. I have no idea. It's a big city in its own right. It's probably about 1 million people in here. That was number 3, right? Okay, for some reason now it's taking me even further south into Mississauga. I'm gonna have to call them, I think. Well, I'm not that worried about it, to be honest. I mean, it's not like I don't understand Mississauga, and if it's busier, then I'll stay in Mississauga. And who knows, maybe I'll learn something, and maybe I'll start doing Uber Eats in Mississauga. So, I am now starting order number 4, because as soon as I close that one, it just popped up and said, okay, you got the next order, go for it. So here we are, trying not to hit a wall. Okay, let's go on to order number 4. I didn't catch any of the restaurant, but it's more or less on the Brampton Mississauga border as well, so it's not too far away. But I do not know this area very well. Well, it's not hard to figure my way around. town. I know Mississauga fairly well because I used to live in it way back when. Alright, back to the road. Eyes on the road.
So many angels. Facebook.com/so many angels 1.
What is that, order number 4? Is this order number 4? I think it is. Told the guy, I do not get paid by the hour, I get paid by the kilometer, and he said, oh, we don't trust Skip the Dishes. I think I'm going this way and that way. He said he doesn't trust Skip the Dishes, so why am I using this phone? Why am I using this camera? Sorry. Okay, on the plus side, now the app is, Skip the Dishes app is taking me back into Brampton. At least it looks like Brampton, because now we're kind of on the border again in Mississauga, Brampton, but now we're on the east side of the border. On the not so plus side, as soon as I stepped out of the car there at Skip the Dishes, I stepped into some warm bubble gum, warm chewed bubble gum, which then stuck to my shoe and then left gum all over the place. I tried to wipe it off, but I don't know if it's still stuck there or not. I'm not happy with that. Not happy at all. Good morning, sir. It says it's still in Brampton, but now I have an idea where I am. I'm going to start going back towards the middle downtown core area. I don't know who Downs is, but they have a very buggy channel. Okay, let's do a quick recap. 1:15 p.m. in the afternoon. Been doing this since 11:30. So, oh, went over to the CUDA. Out of gas. Hope I got that on camera. I don't need to push. Anyway, 1:16 p.m. Been doing this for almost 2 hours. 2 hours, almost. Currently sitting at $28.10. $28.10. 11:30 to 12:30 to 1:30. So that's still about $15 an hour currently for the next few minutes, and that's going to drop to $14 per hour. My gas needle's hardly moved at all, so we're still good. Should have taken the 407 one that way, but I'll just take Queen Street and start going downtown. Was that order number 3? I'm pretty sure that's order number 4. Where were we going with this? What was I saying? What was I doing? Why am I here? What? Anyway, gonna head back into Brampton. And the downtown core. Oh, if I fall asleep. Oh my god. Did you watch my video from last night? The one where I took the night off from Uber Eats and ended up going to a Bolton downtown midnight madness? Who knows? Anyway, yapping away. Gotta focus on the road. And I'll let you know when order number 5 pops up. It still says sit tight, there are orders in your area. Well, I'm gonna sit tight in about 43 seconds when I pull into a place and just chill. Watching the road. Oh, there you go. Got my order. It's like fishing. Holy crap, we were going to opposite ends of the town. So I just picked up order number 5 at a place I've never been to before called Beta Jerk, B-E-T-T-A Jerk. And I thought I knew all the jerk places in Brampton. Because a long time ago I wrote a blog post on MikeDancy.com, this way, MikeDancy.com, called The Great Brampton Jerk Off. I basically ran around, when I moved here the first time, like when I originally moved here, I thought I'd go around and check out all these jerk chicken places. So that's what I did. And then I just put them in competition against each other, so I thought we would have, Great Brampton Jerk Off. Which surprisingly got a lot of traffic, but then the website kaputted, and I had to start all over, and I never put that back up. I don't even know if I still have it anymore. I'll have to see if I can cut and paste it from the internet time machine. But I was actually thinking of making the video, The Great Brampton Jerk Off, the video, the movie. And then comparing all of Brampton's Indian places. Not Indian, sorry. Caribbean places. We were off topic. Anyway, order number 5. It's like 10 minutes away.
That's fine. I'm going to hurt you, you see.
It's halftime, by the way. 1:42, so we've been at this more than 2 hours. $34.80. Harvey's. No, that's not too far. Okay, so fun fact, someone there did know me, but it wasn't who I thought it was. It was one of my kids' buddies. They, by the way, own this pizza place. Or her brother owns this pizza place, which I love. Oh my god. Okay, what was I doing here? We picked up the order. We're now preparing to drive to the customer. Okay, was that order number 6? I think that was order number 6. Okay, let's go see if we can find order number 7. I think. Quick update. It is 2:12. We're at $44.60. 2:12, $44. That's a pretty good day so far. We're not gonna hit $100. We might hit. Well, we're probably gonna hit 50 for sure though, and maybe even 60. Anyway, I think we're starting order number 8. 2:30. 1 hour to go. Okay, that place, beautiful on the inside. And the food smelt fantastic. So, I think that might also have to go onto my wife's and I's to go-to places. Because that was just a beautiful smell, man. I'm gonna try that place.
Also, I have to do what I do every day at 2 o'clock, which is wipe that all over my face.
Hey, delivered that food. That was order number 8. Then order number 9, I think, popped up immediately. 25. Okay, I know what that is. Pickle barrel. I know what that is. I hate the pickle barrel. My problem there is that it's actually inside the mall. Where the hell am I? Okay, we're at $57.15, and it's $2.55. Okay, so I picked up the order from the pickle barrel, and I learned a quick thing while I was there. I always thought I was a people person before, but you know what? Fun fact, I don't think I'm a people person. Nope, I do not think so. I thought I was very funny and charismatic and personable, but the people in there did not think so. They just stared at me like I was some kind of babbling idiot, like I was just, you know, a blender set on high without the lid and shit was flying everywhere. That's the way they looked at me. Anyway, you know, guess you can't win all the battles. So apparently I'm not a people person. We'll leave it at that. So they've destroyed me at the core. It's okay. I guess I've been called worse. Anti-people person. Does that look good on a resume? I don't know. Alright, let's deliver this shit. I'm thinking this might be the last order. I don't know. If they ask me to extend my shift, I don't know if I'm going to do that either. Because to be honest, I'm kind of hungry. And we're supposed to go to a birthday party later on. So I guess I should go get ready for that. Because now it is 3:21. This was a $10 order, so that should take us over. That should take us to about $67 or something. I'll guess we'll know in about 2 minutes. Yeah, I think this might be the last order. Which is too bad. I was having so much fun. I'll say one thing though, time flies. You don't realize it, but that 4 hours goes like that. Oh, look, I just killed half the universe. So, yeah, like at halftime there, I thought, holy crap, this is taking time, but It really does fly. So you do 4 hours of this in the city, and it just, you don't even realize how fast the time goes. Now, it's going to take me 4 hours to edit this video, roughly. But I'm okay with that because that's actually the part of the video making I really enjoy. And I was having that thought to myself the other day. I was like, am I driving for Skip the Dishes and Uber Eats? Or am I creating content for the YouTube channel? That's the question you have to ask yourself, really. Which one am I doing this for? Am I doing this for the YouTube channel, which I really enjoy? Or am I doing this because I need extra money? I need the extra money. I like the extra money. And I do this because I like getting out of the house. So I think I might start doing a bit more Uber Eats during the week. It's been kind of crazy the past couple of weeks. But soon school is going to go back. And I think it's going to get a little busier for Uber Eats. So that is my plan, to do it more during the week. Maybe one day a week. Like on a Tuesday or a Wednesday. As well as the Friday. And then save hopefully Saturday for Skip the Dishes. We shall find out. Anyway, let's wrap this guy up. We are pretty much at the customers right now. Oh shit, this thing is still running. Whoops. Okay, so where are we here? Deliver the food, deliver the order. Okay, your shift is unlikely. It's unlikely you'll get any orders. Okay, end shift now. Earnings $67.60. 4 hours, so 2 orders per hour. $67.60 calculator. Bloop. Holy crap! Almost 17 bucks an hour. Let's see. Kilometers are at 9,276. I use about a half tank. It's more than I expected. About 20 bucks, maybe 15, give or take. I'm gonna go get some gas right now. So that's it. I'm done. Going home. The day is adios. Was that okay? The day is done. I am done. I'm going home. Thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button. And if you are thinking of driving for Uber Eats, I have this code right here that you can use. Well, if I get paid for you signing up, let me know and I'll make sure that I give you a kickback on some of that. I don't know how it's going to work out yet because no one has actually signed up. But I think you can also use that Uber code for getting a deal off food and getting a deal on rides. So check it out. Let me know how it goes. On that note, I'm going to get ready for this party later on and watch the rest of my videos. Thanks very much. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks. You know what I forgot to mention there was that I didn't have any cash orders. Not one of those was cash. Those were all online orders.